I'm sure you've heard the news about yawning, but did you know it's one of nature's most contagious phenomenons? Let's dive into why this simple act is surprisingly socially connecting. Think about yawning. Oops, did you just yawn right now? That's because yawning is super contagious. It's not just a human thing either. Even your dog can catch a yawn from you. Scientists believe this yawn contagion is linked to empathy and social bonds. It's like your body's way of saying, "Hey, I feel you." So, next time someone yawns during a conversation, don't be too quick to judge. They might just be really tuned into the vibes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily facts.